Look at this provolone. It is a little sharp. It has a little peppery background, but it's so creamy that it's gonna melt great in the chapa. I'm gonna start with a fast marinade of dry and fresh herbs. Chili flakes for a punch. Oregano, because provoleta in Argentina wouldn't be provoleta without the flavor. And to add some freshness to it, the fresh version. Provoleta a la chapa, it's gooey, melty, creamy, milty provolone on a chapa. A chapa, it's a hot cast iron dish that we put on open flame, even if it's outside on the grill or inside on a rainy day. Lots of black pepper and extra virgin olive oil to marry them all together. I'm making a provolone sandwich with a provolone crust with the help of coarse salt. I'm gonna cook this provoleta chapa style. In order to check the chapa is very, very hot, we're gonna make water dance. Isn't that cool? The salt that I talked to you about, on the pan. I mean, come on, melted cheese. The textures, the flavors, and the milkiness of the cheese, together with the crust of the bread.